Hayes, Kansas. Thunder on the Plains car show. Beautiful weekend for a show. I am playing a game in Hayes, Kansas while waiting to finish supercharging, and it's one of the nicer features of the vehicle. And then I'll go to register for the Hayes, Kansas car show this year, and if I pre-registered, I think I did, I get free barbecue. I have a friend here going to the show with me, so it looks like it's going to be a very hot, maybe stormy weekend. Lots of bad weather predicted, hopefully no hail, but we will see how that goes. We are getting a police escort from the parking lot of the mall here in Hayes, and we don't have to stop for stoplights, but we are being taken to the park where the car show is tomorrow, and we get to go right through the intersections. Pretty neato. Haven't done this before. Just the number of cars that are at the cruise in to the park to get to the barbecue dinner, generally a lot of cars don't make it to the preliminary events the night before. If this is even a substantial number of vehicles, the show is going to be huge tomorrow. Just as many cars as it is hot. So, and it's hot. So it's going to be a pretty nice show. I'm looking forward to it. My buddy with a Cybertruck, he hasn't had it but a week or two. He showed up without telling anybody. He does that. And my other friend with his Tesla is here. We drove together, so we are going to head to the park and barbecue. We are at the city park. I remember this from last year. Very nice show on grass, which means it's about 300 degrees cooler than it would be on asphalt. And I will do what I did last year, get here early, try to reserve a spot for my buds, and so that we can all park together. Looks like it's going to be a nice show. I'm glad I came to Kansas from Colorado. Well, the preliminary evening is over. We had some great barbecue. I do see some lightning in the foreground. It might have some rain tonight, hopefully no hail, but it was a great event, met a lot of folks and at the barbecue outdoor event. So it looks like it's going to be a great show, and I certainly like being in Hayes, Kansas. So shows tomorrow. I look forward to that. We had a pretty horrific storm last night. It's about 6 in the morning in Hayes, Kansas. No hail, thank heaven, but I spent an hour under one of these canopies at a gas station trying to keep my car from getting damaged. Time for the show.
Good to see the sunshine. Anyway, we'll be playing some music for you. If you got any things to announce or any problems, don't come up and sing with. No, go over and talk to people there in the shelter house.
Well, we got 2024 Model S, 2021 Model S Plaid, and a 2024 Cybertruck, Hayes, Kansas. And the owner never stops talking. He's always busy with people that want to ask him about his truck. Hayes show is over. Had shade most of the day. It was a great show. I always like coming to Kansas. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe and come back for the next one. The hail are so bad, people are pulling under an overpass on the interstate. It's that bad. We're all hoping we don't have damage, but it is crazy. I've never had to pull under an overpass for hail damage.